So the Maverick been peeping curiously over the fence of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup, especially at the West Indies, who at the moment are looking warm and cold, not looking like real contenders for the title, to compete with the likes of Australia, England, India, and South Africa. Like it's been for the last decade, we have 3 world-class women cricketers, Stephanie Taylor, who is not the same, Deandra Dotting, coming back from the wilderness, and of course, the X-Factor, the skipper, Hayley Matthews, the potential game changer. Part of the problem, though, is that the next generation of star women cricketers to take over from these stalwarts have been late in arriving. Plus, the bowling is not special and the fielding is ordinary. West Indies cricket overall desperately needs another one of these T20 successes, whether it's from the men or from the women. West Indies cricket needs some success now, and they need it for renewal and for relevance.